Hello, we are here with the third part of the series, and that is to find aging report vendor wise. So it's pretty simple. That the one that we prepare in the second part of the series, we'll be using the sum if function to find the vendor wise aging report. So first, what we need to do is to find the unique list of the vendors from the aging report, and that's you can just lock it because we'll be copying the formula to the different cells or different rows columns. The second thing is we need the criteria. No, what we don't need the criteria, we only need the list. So we have the vendor wise reports. Now the second part is to use the sum if function. Range, what is range? Range is exactly the vendor names. Now we need to use the F4 key to lock it. Criteria will be the one we calculated previously. What we need to do, we need to press the F4 one time, two time, three time. So we are locking the column but not the row. And then the last function will be to use the amounts from the current, because we are in the current bucket, and that what we need to do is to lock the column and then OK. Now what we need to do is to simply copy the formula to the left and also to the right. Now there seems there's some error in it because we are not changing, the amounts are not changing. So what we need to do, where is the error? Error is in the, because we have locked both the column and the rows, that's why it's not moving. What we need to do, we need to lock the rows but not the column. So as we move the formula from left to right, the column shall move as well. So what we need to do is remove the $sign before the column. Now just paste it. Now let's see, it's changed. And then you can add the total here. And also add the total as well. You can use formatting here. So now let's check if that 789 is correct. First of all, we need to check how much the due amount is. 789,373.09, and if you look to it, it is exactly the amount. If we check it with this report, 789,373. So all of our three reports are matched. Now let's move the this date to 31st of Jan as instead of 31st of December. So now let's see again. Okay, so 76785 6784 784.63 means it is rounding up. If we use the now it's correct. Okay, what you can do if you don't want to show the that 0, then you can simply do is use the trim range, and that will be updated. Of course you can then update the this formula by removing it. And is the list gone? You need to change this total, and you need to edit here or somewhere near, as depending upon the number of the vendors. So this is all of our this is the last of our video. So if you want to look into the previous two video, it's already on the channel. You can learn it, and that is the end of the series. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share. Thank you.